spoke about, various senses, or you spoke about how to take care of your teeth, or about, the various people who help us, the different types of doctors. It was really, really fun. And children, you did a good job. All of you knew what you were doing. And I'm sure you're going to kind of go forward and help others learn about what you have learned. And that's the best form of learning, is when you're able to tell others what you've learned, you are able to explain them. And teachers and parents, thank you for putting in the efforts. Jointly, we could have done it. Otherwise, I'm sure when children are at home and teachers doing online, doing all this is not possible without both of you working in tandem. Absolutely wonderful, delighted. And I'm a grand, enthusiastic show. In fact, the morning used to start like, today is the science show for this level, today is the science show for this level. And yes, it was a much awaited event. All the best to the entire team. We could see each and every person performing, collaborating, putting it all together. And finally, we could see these 3 successful days of parents, participating through the children, children showing their enthusiasm, presenting their individual, presentations, and a team of teachers who were just leading from behind, giving that strong support, assistance, that backup to our children. That, definitely showed on the glow, as a glow on the children's faces. My all the best to my management, to Manjari, especially your team effort, how you bring in everything together to make, these successful days happen. So that's a, commendable thing to bring in together. And I really wish all the best to all of you for a bright, new, and full of many more events this 2020.
Ma'am, thank you.
I just want to say that this the journey for which like they have come through all along by preparation, and from the point that they have started, they all have literally grown up a lot. The things that they have learned about this planet, solar systems, and in fact even the JKG and the nursery case what they were presenting yesterday and day before that. So it was really awesome. The kids are learning a lot in different areas and different perspectives. They have different perspectives about same things. They are learning, they're exploring things, and the way they are growing is really, really great. And it is all the result of the great efforts that you guys are putting in. Thank you, a big thank you to all the teachers, and like the hard work and the hard work that you are putting into for our kids and their future is really awesome. I really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So just to start with, this is not the first time we are doing this with Prisha, or with this Prisha is there with Maple Beer from the toddlers. So we have seen her growing with every year. There were some feedback which we have taken positively from you and all the teachers. For this year, I guess this would be the last year for the Prisha to perform in front of all the Maple Beer staff and in front of you. But I really like every time I did that, and I really like to appreciate. Means starting from the toddler, every teacher, this time Mithila teacher and Archana ma'am, everyone has done the fabulous job. Whatever.
To everyone, ma'am, it has been a wonderful journey with Maple Beer. She's studying in Maple Beer since nursery. It has been 3 years. These 3 years were wonderful, it's hats off to teachers that they are doing wonderful job. The inputs they are giving, the smaller inputs they are giving every day, we can see the transformation of our children, and they are the outputs now, in the science show. I've seen everyone, they are doing wonderful. They have, all of them, not even my daughter, everyone is so confident. They are so confident to present themselves among so many people. And if we compare ourselves to our children, they are doing really awesome. And I would say that if we at sometimes it might be we parents, as parents, we might face some pressure that yes, we are facing pressure. We don't want to do a child to do the homework, or some kind of pressure is there with the science show or anything. But trust me, if we trust the school, if we trust the teachers, and if we trust the administration also, it will, you have to keep a lot of patience with them also. And the results are truly amazing.
From toddler to senior KG. And especially this activity, science show activity, is very helpful for him to develop his presentation skill and confidence also. And again, because of these school activities and overall curriculum, he become more curious, and his observation becomes very good. He observes little things because of such curriculum. So we are very happy with Shreyan's development, overall development.
Year on year by Manjari ma'am. This time I am very much happy. Like the kids are learning peers as well. Like we can see like there is a leap in progress in all areas of the kids, and especially the science show I mentioned in my previous feedback as well. Like it creates a benchmark. If you ask me, like the kids at that level performing well and consistently keeping and keep on raising the bar. That is what is really appreciable, and there has to be a consistent efforts behind that, and that has gone very well. And I'm happy Abhiraj enjoys school, and there is one point where we are like I feel like what next after Maple Bear. So this year this will be the last science show that Abhiraj will be performing.
Junior KG, and her journey is just amazing. I cannot express it in words. When my daughter joined, she didn't know anything, no ABCD, no counting, nothing. And now I can see her, she's doing addition, subtraction, backward counting, and all these things. And I show her videos to my friends, to my family members, and they're just amazed to see, like, oh, 5-year-old child is doing all these things. And now they are going to the other schools for the admission of first standard. When they are giving, she is giving written exam for first standard, and the teachers there in that schools are amazed to see, oh, your kids know all so many things, from which school you are coming from, and they're giving excellent and stars and all these things. So we feel so proud, and we never feel that yet she's going to a school. It is like a family for us. We never feel like, oh, this is a formal school, or yes, like this. No, this is like Maple Bear is like a family for us.
It was a really a great effort put in by you guys to make them speak and make them a public speaker. I know for the fact that in school he won't be learning the way he's learning here in preschool, because my niece is now in school and she has been in Maple Bear. So they told me that the way Maple Bear teaches children is way different than they get the teaching in school. So I would really like to thank Maple Bear, all the teachers.
मैं आप all teachers को thanks बोलना चाहूंगी, because जब मैं शिवाशीष को admission कराया था तो उसको कुछ भी नहीं आता था, and now he is very good. उसने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. Even he can't speak, but now he can speak English and all that.
I want to thank to all Maple Bear teams, teachers. Actually, ma'am, when we returned from Dubai and joined the Maple Bear once again, that time Shlok was not able to write or not able to learn, or like he don't know vowels and all those things. But you teachers took gave your extra time, took extra classes for him, and today he is with everyone, like all other childs. So I'm really thankful to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's a differentiating very important. Like people name based on the name, they take a different feedback. But I just wanted to make a note.
Till now, she has grown a lot, and she has built a more confident. Like it was last Sunday's talk. Like in our church, Carol team was there. And she was asking me, Mama, I want to join that group. I want to join and perform on the stage. I said, baby, you are so small. You're not, you don't belong to that group. She said, no, Mama, I want to perform. She did one practice for the carol. And yes, yesterday, last Sunday, she performed her well. And every parents were asking how this small kid has joined that adults group, that they were like age group 10 to 12 years kids were there, and she was the younger one, and she did her very firmly, and everyone were asking, where are you sending your